In this video, I want to explain how a septic bubbler works and to show you how I installed one. Your situation might be slightly different, but the same idea applies. This is a low volume, low pressure air pump, and it's sold especially for bubbling air into sewage. This causes it to break down more thoroughly before it gets to the leaching bed. So there are several brands out there, and this one just sits on top of the tank. I live in a place that gets lots of winter, and it's fine outside without any protection year-round. So it plugs into a regular outlet, and it pumps air down into the tank. So just like to show you how I made that happen. This is a patio slab, like I showed you in a previous video. This is part of a easy access system I've got to my septic tank, and it's notched here for the air pipe to go down. This is not the access to the tank exactly. This is just access to the tank. And you can see here that the pipe goes down. I've also notched the lid, as you can see. I have found that that little bit of opening doesn't allow any smell to come out. If you have any concerns about that, you can stuff some things around there, maybe some fiberglass insulation or something, just to plug it up completely, because you only have to take this out once every couple of years when you have your septic system pumped out. So this works. This gets air bubbling down into the sewage and converts it from anaerobic digestion to aerobic digestion, which is more complete. The sewage going out to the leaching bed will be cleaner, and it'll also help to dissolve any biomat and stuff, sludge, that's building up out there, and it might slow down your septic system eventually too. So it's a good idea, and it's pretty simple to install.